Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial today I'm going to show you how to link your Wise account to Cash App. So let's get into the video. So open up your Cash App and then log into your account. So log into your Cash App account. So once I've logged into your Cash App account here, so when you're on your home page here, so what you're going to do, you're going to hit on your profile on your top right, click on your profile and scroll down. You will see linked banks. Simply click on it. And you will have the option of you can either link through your debit card, which means you can use your Cash App card. So if you can click on it and then simply plug in your Cash App card details and then link your Cash App card, or else what you can do, you can hit on no card option here and then you can try to link it through using your Wise account option. So for example here, so when it gets to, it will ask you to link a bank account, hit on continue. And then now what you're going to do, you're going to just provide the details of your Wise account. So search for, under institution you can search for Wise. So if you search for Wise, simply select on Wise and then just provide the details of your Wise account. So it's going to log you to your Wise account. So simply hit on continue to log in and then log into your Wise account, and then it's going to take details from your Wise account, and then it's going to just need to complete the whole process. So that's pretty much it. It's just a few steps of work, and that's pretty much it is. Hope this video is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.